What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online and over $100 per day realistically. Now, this is one of my favorite ways to make money online today. I'm doing it right now. I've been doing it for years, and here are some actual results. So the top one here is a new program that I started promoting a few months ago, 6-7 months ago now, and you can see the I got commissions. So I got affiliate commissions, and it increased every single month. And this one in particular is now making me $1,000 per month, and is growing by around about $200 per month. So by the end of this year, in a year's time, it's going to be making really, really good money, and it's making really good money now. And the one at the bottom, where I'm making over $100 per day as well with that particular program. So I'm going to show you in this video how you can do this with free traffic. You don't need any money, guys. You can start doing this right now with $0. I will show you someone that is actually doing this and followed my instructions from another video, and he's hit $10,000 doing this exact method. So let's jump into this, guys, and I'll show you exactly how you can make money online by doing what we call affiliate marketing, and it is one of the most popular ways to make money online today. So in this video, guys, you are going to learn how to do this for 100% free. You will not have to spend a dime. Nothing. So if you're looking to make money without spending money, this is the video for you. I'm going to tell you what offers to promote, the two offers that I showed you the results from before, and I'm going to show you, kind of explain to you why they're the best, where to get the best traffic that's free, of course, and how you can get $100 a day consistently. Okay, it's consistent and it builds up over time and keeps building and building and building, which is the best part about this. So guys, first of all, we're going to cover the offers. What I promote and what really makes the most money is softwares, SaaS software, so SaaS. Now, this one here is called GetResponse, and this is the one that I showed you the results from before, and it keeps going up and up and up. And what I do, guys, is GetResponse is a email marketing platform. Now, literally every single person that wants to learn how to start an online business is going to be using an email system. So you can recommend that to people when I show you how to do it. But these are the best programs to use because everybody is using them. That's the thing. It's not like you're promoting a fitness product or, you know, a course on how to make money online. You are promoting a product that everybody wants and everybody's going to need in their online journey. And another one I promote, guys, which is the one down the bottom here, is called ClickFunnels. And this is a program that helps people build sales funnels in their business. Once again, this is a really broad audience you can target, and that's what makes this stuff really good to promote. So how do you promote this, guys? How do you do this for free? Well, the trick is YouTube. Now, YouTube is full of hungry people that want to buy stuff, learn how to grow businesses, and you can literally start it for free. But there is a trick. You have to know how to do it properly, and you don't have to share your face. If you're socially awkward, it doesn't matter. I am an introvert. I was socially awkward, and now I'm doing 7 figures a year online, and you can too, okay? Trust me, guys, you can too. So what I'm going to do, guys, is first show you one of my videos from back in the day, okay? Are you ready? You can see, like, I'm awkward. My microphone sucks. I don't even want to put my face on the video, but this video got 22,000 views, guys. And yes, this video did make me some money because I was promoting an affiliate offer at the time. And this is actually one of my students here who did $10,000 with ClickFunnels with free traffic from YouTube. And he does not show his face at all on his channel. He started from scratch, 0 subscribers. He has 40,000 subscribers now, and he's making a substantial amount of money from doing this particular method. But here's the trick. No one knows how to do it properly apart from me and him, and, you know, some other people, but no one knows how to do it properly. What you want to do, guys, is you want to go and find these offers to promote. So there's GetResponse, there's Active Campaign, I think. There's one called Aweber. You can promote any affiliate marketing, any email marketing program. There is lots of them, and they all have affiliate systems. You go and sign up, and you get a commission every time someone purchases through your link, okay? That's called affiliate marketing. And there's ClickFunnels, and there's other funnel systems as well where you can go and make money, with the affiliate program. But this is the trick, guys. The keywords are the trick. People are always searching for how to, best ways, best program. People are always searching how-to keywords, but people never utilize them properly, and that's why they don't make money doing this stuff. If you do enough videos on how-to, you'll start getting traction and you'll start making money. So let's say, hey, we want to promote ClickFunnels. These are some examples: how to build a landing page, how to create a landing page, best way to build a landing page, how to build a funnel. And then it translates into others, guys: how to build a funnel, how to create a funnel, how to make a funnel, how to make a sales funnel, how to create a sales funnel, how to create a sales funnel online, how to create a sales funnel online quickly. You get the point. You can get thousands and thousands of keywords that you can go and target and build up traffic and make commissions, right? Best way to create a sales funnel. So if I go into YouTube right now, guys, and I go to how to make a landing page, okay, which is what you would go and get ClickFunnels, you would learn how to use it, you would do a tutorial on how to create a landing page, right? And you go down, and there's actually one of my videos there. So this is one of my videos, guys, that got 60,000 views. But you can see how to make a page. You can see that people are doing these videos on how to make a landing page. And what they do is they put a link in the description to the ClickFunnels trial. And they say, hey, get a trial, you can check it out. And then you get a commission. ClickFunnels pays you $38 per month forever as long as that person stays on. So it's a recurring income. I've made $68,000 so far. I haven't even been promoting it for very long. If we go how to create a landing page, I think I have another video on here. Or how to, so there's another one, how to create a high converting sales page, landing page for e-commerce. Now, if we go down, guys, there is a link to a landing page builder, to the landing page builder that I use. In this instance, it's not ClickFunnels, but it's something else. So guys, there's no excuse. You can do this for free. You don't have to spend any money, like nothing, zero. I started this YouTube channel for free. You can go and make money online for free. It's crazy. So you need to do the keywords, guys, and you'll see how I've done this. Create a high converting landing page. Or if we go to how to create a landing page, you'll see how to create a free high converting landing page, how to make a beautiful landing page, how to make a beautiful landing page, how to create a stunning landing page. You get the point, but you wonder, why do people do this? Because that's what people are searching for, guys. Now, if you start this YouTube channel and you find you're not getting the traction you want and you're not really making any money and not getting any views, what I recommend you do is use a website called Cura.com. And you can go like this: how to create a landing page. And people ask questions. How do you create a landing page? And you go and answer these questions and drop a link to your video. So you go answer, and I can just be like, hey, check this video. It should help you. Now, people say that this doesn't work, but I'm going to show you that it does work in a second. If we go down to my video, how to create a landing page, pause, share, copy the link, go back to Cura.com, put it in here, submit my video. We go to my profile, guys, and you'll see I do this, and I never get banned. I have a lot of my videos here. We keep going, keep going, keep going. Heaps of my videos. That's how I initially gave my channel a boost to get traffic and then start to get subscribers, guys. Okay? So it's simple. You go and you start doing, so let's say GetResponse, for example. You can go how to create an email list, how to use GetResponse review, best way to use GetResponse. Guys, there's literally thousands of keywords you can target. There is thousands. You can just go and take these keywords and do different variations. There are so many keywords you can target. And to optimize your thing, guys, you just put it in the title and you write a description as well, and you put it in the description and you do the tags, okay? So how to create a landing page, how to create a landing page in WordPress, how to create a landing page in WordPress again. I put that in twice, how silly me, in and on, WordPress landing page, okay? Now, there's another trick to this, guys, and the thing is, YouTube has multiple traffic sources. These are the three top ones. There's more, but we've got search traffic, people searching keywords. This is where most of my traffic comes from, okay? We have browse traffic. That's traffic from the YouTube homepage. And we have suggested views. You can jack traffic from other videos. So you go and find other videos that are kind of like, so let's say, hey, we do how to create a landing page. And we're like, hey, this video here is got 149,000 views. You go into a video similar to that and you use the same kind of tags, not exactly the same, similar tags, similar title, similar description, and not always, but a lot of the times, YouTube will be like, hey, people are watching this video, it's similar to your video, we're going to suggest that video to these people, right? And that's how a lot of people get traffic on YouTube and stuff like that. Now, guys, you can take it to another level, okay, which is what I do as well. Okay, I'm showing you everything that I do, fully transparent here. You can use a website called rev.com and you can transcript your videos into text. And you can start a website. I know I said you can do this without a website. You can start a website. And this is an example here where I started a website. This is one of my main websites. We get a lot of traffic here. I put in the video and then I put in the transcription in down here. Now, what happens with this, guys, is this is going to go rank in Google now. So we're going to start getting Google traffic as well. And you build up this massive network of traffic and you start to make sales. So what I would do is I would take my how to create a landing page video and I'll be like, hey, go to rev.com. I would log in, purchase a service. It's $1 per minute. So I would pay, how long does this video go for? I would pay $30 to get it transcribed. You know, this isn't free, right? Obviously, this is just a bit of an extra bonus. And then I would go and make a website and put the transcription onto here. They send it to you in a file and you just paste it onto here and edit it if you need to. It's that simple, guys. It's that easy. Now, making this, making money online isn't easy, guys. Like, you're not just going to start making $100 straight away. As you can see from this particular graph, it took me a while to start scaling up the, the email software commissions. But that was purely from email YouTube videos. Sorry. So if we go create an email list, you will see my video here. So how to build a profitable email list. And I only posted that a month ago. I do have other email videos, but this boosted up my commissions, just that video alone, right? So that's it, guys. That's how you can go out and make over $100 a day online with affiliate marketing. YouTube traffic is the best traffic to do this. I actually started with Google websites, but then I transferred into YouTube as well as another traffic source, and it's a great traffic source. So that's it, guys. How to make money online, how to make $100 a day in affiliate marketing. Make sure you subscribe, tap that notification bell so you know when my next video drops. Drop a like on this video and leave a comment below if you need any help with setting this up. And I'll see you guys in the next video.